Krista with simplysmartliving.com, and I'm going to show you how to use small vases to decorate your table. I'm going to first start with a little bit of color to coordinate with my vases, and to do that I'm actually just using some placemats. Placemats that you already have in your cabinet are a great way to start a nice table runner without spending a lot of money. Then to give a little splash, I'm going to top it with a mirror. It also makes it look a little more one piece. And this is an octagonal mirror, just kind of went with the theme. And then I'm going to top it, just scatter some small vases that I got at the craft store in these lovely jewel tones. I think they're just beautiful. And just put them on and just arrange them. You know, whatever looks good to you. I'm also going to add a few of these smaller octagonal vases just to add a little bit more to my centerpiece here. You know, you can almost just scatter them and just kind of build out on the angles that the octagonal shape makes for a little more interest. Let's see, I have one more. I'll put it there. There we go. You know, as much as you want to or as little as you want to, looks great. Then I'm going to go ahead and top my little vases here with some great little daisies. These are just from the craft store, and I'm just going to put colors that complement each other, but not the same color in the same color vase. Let's see, I think I have a little yellow one. And of course, they have wire so in their stems, so if you need to, you can just bend up the wire to go in those shorter vases. And let's see, I have one left here. And if you want to, you can even put some of these vases on the smaller mirrors. But what I'm going to do instead is actually use these nice jewels. You just get these in big bags at the craft store, and I'm just going to scatter some colorful jewels on my mirrors and on my main mirror too. Basically just take a handful and just start scattering them around. It takes a minute or two, but it really adds to the sparkle. And then I'm going to put some on my main mirror here. And just as many or as few as you want. Just adds a lot of color, and it really pops off of these little mirrors too. And this is great it's a great start for both a dining table, for a buffet table, but it's also great for just an accent table, like if you have an entry table that you want to add a little color to. You know, the options are just limitless. There we go. And that's how you decorate a table using small vases.